You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, scientific name, once and for all, correctly if you want to learn more useful names that are related to cannabis included. Stay tuned. This is a scientific name from Latin sativa, Latin pronunciation sativa. In English, however, it's normally pronounced as sativa, sativa, sativa. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.